Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb Moffett. We got a fun video this morning. This I think is going to be probably the most important video I've done in 2024. You know, I make 1 or 2 videos a week, and I was thinking about it this morning. This is going to be the most important video I've made all year. And before we get into the video, I guess I should explain something. The reason I'm making this video is I was thinking this morning about Howard Hughes. For those people who don't know who Howard Hughes was, he was one of the richest men that ever lived, really smart guy. But toward the end of his life, he went a little bit crazy, they said, in his head, because he was spending all of his time in a hotel room in a penthouse suite in the finest hotel in Las Vegas, wearing nothing but a bathrobe, and he put little boxes of tissue papers on his feet, and he hired a bunch of Mormons to take care of his business, and he spent his all day long watching his movie that he liked most, Ice Station Zebra, and eating Tutti Frutti ice cream. He liked ice cream so much when the company stopped making it, he bought out the last batch and put it in freezer storage. So, and I was thinking to myself, you know, except for the part about the tissue paper boxes on his feet and letting his fingernails grow and his hair grow, everything else made sense. Every Mormon I've ever met have been wonderful people. Nothing wrong with hiring them. Las Vegas, a wonderful town, living in a penthouse suite. What's wrong with that? Ice Station Zebra is not a bad movie. And as I've gotten older, more and more ice cream has become much higher in importance in my life. I'm not sure if Howard Hughes went a little crazy or not. Maybe he was very sane. I mean, and as far as putting tissue boxes on his feet during COVID, who among us did not either do something just as crazy, or there are maybe some of us are still doing things that were just as crazy. So what we're going to do today, because as I said, I think ice cream is extremely important. I have come up with a way to make my ice cream double or triple the amount of time it lasts. Usually I will eat ice cream and make a bowl every day and it's gone in a few days. I discovered that if you take a cheese grater and graham crackers, which by the way, when graham crackers first came out, they were told to be health food. And the reason you use the cheese grater is because you can make nice little if it's not melted. This only happened when I turned the camera on. So now I'll eat one of these one a day, and my ice cream lasts 2 or 3 times longer. So, as I said, ice cream has become a lot more important to me as the years have gone by, and now I find a way to increase how long it lasts. So I think this is probably one of the most important videos I've made this year. So go and get you a cheese grater and some ice cream and go watch Ice Station Zebra. Alright guys, if you haven't unsubscribed and you're still hanging around, I appreciate it very much. Put on new videos every week. Take care. See you out there.